you guys think of that little intro right there? Something a little bit different for you guys. It has been a hectic and crazy week. This is a week after the LA Super Show, and let me just say, we were still tired, we're still beat, we're still playing catch up as of right now. We're looking good to get caught up on all orders, but That show was absolutely phenomenal. The LA Super Show in Long Beach at the Convention Center, it was absolutely amazing. We had such a great turnout, such a great time out there. Some of our guys, it was their first Lowrider Super Show. Some of our newer guys, we took them out there for them to experience everything, for them to learn about it. If you guys stopped by the booth, you guys might have saw some of the guys in the background kind of shadowing us and helping out. We're trying to get them familiarized with all the items and product and all of our customers like you guys. So with that being said, I just want to say thank you guys, everyone at Lowrider, Joe, Brian, Jesse, thank you. Texas Ed, I appreciate you. Marcella, thank you. The whole Motorsports Showcase, Richard and the crew, thank you guys all for making this show such a pleasant show to be at. Now I know people are going to say, man, this movement sucked and this sucked. You're always going to have negativity. And the bad part is you're never going to make everyone happy. But I guarantee you 95 to 98% of everyone enjoyed that show. Now I get it, movement did suck because Long Beach PD. The thing is with that is, at a certain point, the show promoters are gonna, lose a little bit of control because you have to have higher authorities protecting everyone that is going into the venue. We get it, especially nowadays. Everything is about safety. Everything, all these protocols, and especially with all this COVID crap, it was all about safety and safety of everybody. So, in a way, I get it because we moved in. It's like, yeah, it sucks. But at another point, I gotta also say thank you because they were going through doing searches, checks. Everyone's being protected. So it's one of those things where it's part of the show. We all know it. We all expect it, especially such a big show like it was. I gotta say again, thank you for everyone to making it as smooth as possible and for accommodating everyone the best they could. So with that being said, LA was absolutely phenomenal. I'm gonna try to get Art on camera here, talk about the show a little bit, and then on top of that, I do want to give a big, huge shout out to Romero's Custom Strollers, or Romero Strollers on IG. Thank you, man, for getting my daughter's stroller right. Again, he wanted to make sure that my daughter was rolling correct, she was proper, and he did that. Again, I want to say thank you again for that. And on top of that, we just had a great time out there. Besides the whole show stuff, just getting out with the crew, getting out with all the guys, just having a few drinks out at the bar and just cruising around town on the scooters. We had a freaking fun time. So we're excited for the next one. I believe Lowrider is going to be releasing the date. By the time you guys see this video, probably yesterday or today. So they're going to be releasing all the dates for the final shows, and on top of that, for LA or for Vegas Super Show, the one that ends it all, the grand finale. You guys should be seeing that in a few days. If not, you guys might have already seen it yesterday or today. So, yeah, keep going, keep pushing. And again, we ain't going anywhere, guys. We are just at the tip of the iceberg. You got a lot of room to grow, a lot more growth in process, and a lot more bigger plans. So, stick with us, guys. Huh? Where are you going?
Going to my office. Oh, well, yeah, it was busy. It was crowded. I think busy and crowded is the same thing, is it?
You're the worst person to interview.
I'm camera shy.
Yeah. What are your thoughts of LA Super Show?
Crazy busy. I'm still tired from it.
I mean,
That's what happens when you sell 47 kits. Just want to say thank you for all the guys and gals who came by the booth to visit us at the LA Super Show. Thank you for all the love and support. Without you guys, we couldn't do it. It was a phenomenal show. It was crazy busy. For all the customers that we couldn't help, I apologize, but we did our best. The crowd was crazy crowded, and we tried our best to help everybody out. I want to say thank you to Joe and Marcella and all the Lowrider Magazine staff for having us out there, for taking us on as the tour sponsor for 2022, and we'll see you at the next show.
And what's planned for 2023?
2023, bigger facility, more machines, more workers, maybe another Vic. We're lucky to find one. Just like him.
They see you rolling. They hating. Trying to catch you riding dirty. Way better than your Cutlass.
Okay, it's a Buick.